everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the May 2025 HipKits. My May and June kits finally arrived and I can't wait to use them. Today I'll create a layout using my favorite May products. First I cut circles from the Happiness Essentials cardstock, which is included in the May cardstock kit, using the May 2025 Nested Eyelet Circle metal die. I used the largest circle as a frame for my photo. I drew it on white cardstock and cut it out. Now I frame my photo. I cut out flowers and leaves from the rose garden paper. I place my photo on my layout and arrange the fussy cut flowers. Then I stamp on both sides of my photo using the May 2025 Vintage Text Texture stamp. Now I add some of the Vintage Memories vellum stickers. I also add some die cuts from the cardstock ephemera pack and more fussy cut roses. I choose another vellum sticker, a butterfly, glue it on white cardstock and cut it out. made 2 of the cardstock layered foam phrases and 2 word die cuts. Then I pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. I continue embellishing the layout with some puffy stickers and 2 hearts from the foam phrases pack. I finish with some black puffy dots from the puffy alphabet stickers pack. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.